One morning, I said, what if we sold everything, bought a bus, and traveled? And she answered with one word, yes.
I love the idea of traveling full-time. It made a lot of sense because I really didn't want to move somewhere where I had never been, but I like the change. I like being able to move. I like being able to be close with my family and know that our daughter is, almost within arm's reach when she's going to sleep. The Modern Caravan is comprised of just Kate and me. We started our first Airstream renovation about 5 years ago. We renovate travel trailers mostly for ourselves and for clients.
We each have a very distinct role. I am the designer, and so I know exactly the way I want something to look.
It's pretty fun to be able to have her walk into a space that she designed and be like, yeah, that's exactly what I pictured it to be.
It's really important to have those things that, no one's gonna see, probably won't even think about, but it'll be something that is present every single day. They're gonna appreciate it.
The Accuride Slides that we've put in meet the functionality standards to a T. In this Airstream we have 31, 35 easy close 20-inch drawer slides. When I was installing these Accuride Slides, the first thing I noticed is that there's not two mechanisms that have to work together. It's one mechanism that does what it's supposed to do and stays together.
Once Ellen finished the install on the first one, she said, come look at this, And I was really excited about the fact that we could put the slide underneath, that it was an undermount, and that you don't have to look at the hardware every single time you're opening the drawer. It's just a more polished look. And then that soft, easy close, it's so nice. It just feels like luxury.
Choosing the right products really ensures the functionality of a project. If a drawer doesn't open, you notice it, but if all the things work, then you don't notice them, and that's really the goal. Putting Accuride Slides in this Airstream is a no-brainer.
We would definitely work with Accuride again. Home is where we are our truest selves. If I feel like I'm at home, then I'm very confident that the client will feel at home. I really hope that they feel the love that we have for the space. We have given it all of ourselves. If that's not love, I don't know what is.